Alright, so I got myself a little Arduino O2 sensor, and it measures the concentration of oxygen in a percentage. And I built a little sealed box that has the sensor encased in here. And what we have is this black line, excuse the mess here, we're in a major testing phase, is the output of my vacuum pump. So the input of the vacuum pump is the headspace of this vessel, and over here is the purge gas, nitrogen, in the headspace of the kettle. So what this is doing is we're pumping in the headspace, we're pulling a vacuum. That vacuum is coming over through the vacuum pump out. That output is coming into this box, and this has a one-way check valve, and I just have it in water now so we can verify that it's actually pulling a vacuum and all that's working. These two are looped right now, but they're the other vessels that will connect to this. So you could have one sensor. It's a junction box. You can have one sensor but 3 inputs and 1 output. So I just pumped this box full of pure oxygen, and I had tested to see if it was working. So here's what we'll do. Turn the purge gas on, pump on, so vacuum pump and purge gas. All right, so now we're moving air across that sensor. You can see we're pulling from the headspace now. This vacuum is the one-way out, and we should start to see that sensor change values. And I can write the code in the script. Instead of purging an allotted time, I can use the value of this sensor to purge. So I can say, instead of purging for 3 minutes, maybe in 2 minutes I can get to less than 1% of oxygen in the headspace. Then it saves me gas and time. Maybe it takes longer. So we'll use this to see, and it should be a fun little project. So far it's working well, but we'll have to vet it and just make sure. So there we go.